Hi, welcome to me counting down my 4 most favourite trains. Now, this isn't actually in order, if you know what I mean. This is more of my most favourite train from each operator. For Stepford Connect, my most favourite train is a HST because I just think, like, delivery, man. Suits it so much. I would draw between this and the IE.
Approaching platform 1. Terminates here. Train now approaching platform 14. Terminates here. Platform 10 for the 1947. Stepford Connect service to Edgemead. Calling at Stepford East.
Next, for Stepford Connect, it's class 195 or 331. I like this train in real life, and I feel like the livery that they've put on the train as well is just like fan.
This train has 5 coaches. First class is located at the front of this train.
Now, for Waterline, I could easily say this is my most favourite train, but technically, I'll have to have something different, and I think the train on Waterline that does beat that train. And it is, yeah, it's this train. I just feel like this train suits the Waterline livery a lot more. Yeah.
Stand back from the platform.
So yeah, so for Airlink, the final one, it's has to be, well, it has to be the class, yeah, the IT. Just like it, I just really like the IT in Airlink. I like it for Express, but obviously HST beat it for Express, and I really like it for Airlink as well. And there's no other train that beats this one really. So we're now going to look at trains that were runners up from each. So the runner up that just got beaten at Express was the IET, because obviously the livery, man, it looks really neat on this train. But then also I really like the other one, the HST. I prefer that one to the IET. So yeah, just missed that. And the train that just got beaten for Stepford Express, Stepford Connect, sorry, it was the class 158. Now this, I feel like the livery as such suits it really well, but I think it suits the 195 just that little bit better. So yeah, obviously the runner-up for Waterline was obviously, yeah, what is it? Now, for Airlink it's hard because I don't really know if there was any other runners up. I know I definitely like the 360 and the 185, but I don't know if there'd have been runners up. So yeah, to recap, my 4 most favourite trains, one from each operator. I'll class 43 HST, class 195 Civity, the class 165 for Waterline, and the class and the IUT for Airlink. Thanks for watching.